Unfortunately for all fans, both visually and mechanically, the 2020 Subaru WRX STI will completely return to the old tracks of glory, but with the exception of the powertrain that will be hybrid. The 2-liter box-turbo petrol should have 350 horsepower, and the additional power elixir would be a 100 kilowatts or 136 horsepower electric motor, still conceived as a high-performance sedan that can carry 5 passengers. Permanent all-wheel drive is implied, and is planted on 20-inch wheels. In addition to more power, this WRX also comes with a 20mm wider wheel track, an aero package, yellow details, special 30 Diamond Edition badges and a serial number plate. The car also features a large rear spoiler, a front grille with red details, chrome exhaust pipes, sports seats, an Alcantara steering wheel, a red engine start button and STI mats. Some of the equipment includes keyless entry, a 7.0-inch infotainment system with navigation, a rear camera, automatic switching of lights and wipers, a blind spot warning, and a 440-watt Harman Kardon sound system with 9 speakers.